guys, it's your favorite time of day, math time. All right, go ahead, grab your math books. I'm going to give you guys a minute just to grab them, okay? All right, now that you have your math book, I want you to turn to page 187. Mom and Dad will help you get there. 187. It should look like this, okay? You should have eggplants and your little boy here on the bottom. Okay? All right. So, do you guys remember? What are we learning about in math right now? That's right. More or less. All right. So, when we're looking at this page, okay, what do we see? Those are eggplants. All right. So, we are going to count the eggplants on the one side. And let's see how many there are, okay? Let's count. 1. Let me grab this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a 4 in that section. Let's count over here. 1, 2, 3. So go ahead, write a 3 in that square. Okay, so it says 4 is more than 3. Is that true to say? Yeah, because 4 is more than 3, right? All right. So we're going to do that on the next one too. But I want you guys to compare sets of objects around your house, okay? So with more and less, let's say you have some dominoes, right? Do you think if we lined up all of our dominoes and maybe you lined up some toy soldiers, what would you maybe have more of? Probably the domino set more than the soldiers, right? So maybe you guys can go around your house and compare different objects that you have and see what you have more of and what you have less of. Okay? So I want you guys, let's go ahead. Let's do this one, okay? Let's count. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write your 5 in the square. All right. What about right here, guys? 2. That's right. Write a big old 2 in that square for me. All right. So this is saying 5 is more than 2. That's pretty true, right? We have 5 over here, 2 over here. What do we have more of? More on this one, huh? That's right. All right. So go ahead, turn your page. It should look like this. Okay. Go ahead and get there. I'm going to turn the page in my book. All right. Alrighty, so we have these little necklaces, it looks like, and we've got some beads on them, right? We're going to go ahead and do the same thing, guys. We're going to count these beads. And we're going to say, this time, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put a 3 right here. Let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and write a 7. Okay. Here, 3 is less than 7, right? Yeah, because see, we have way more beads on this side than we do over here. So this is definitely less than what's over here. Let's see what's going on down here, okay? All right, let's see if you guys can fill in your squares before we can count them. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's write a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write an 8. So, is 6 less than 8? Let's look. We have 6. Then we got to add 2 more to have 8, right? So I think 6 is definitely less than 8. All right. We are now gonna do this page. It's the exact same thing. We're gonna write in the numbers, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys just a minute. Try to fill those in for me, and then we're gonna go over them, okay? Alright, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write your 4. 1, 2, 3. Write your 3. 4 is more than 3. Okay. Down here. 1, 2, 3. Write your 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write your 4. This is saying 3, because we have 3 of them, is less than 4. Alright, let's count this one down here, guys. Let's find out. It wants to know what is more. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write your 5. Okay. So is 6 more than 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6 is definitely more than 5. All right, guys. This is going to be your last page in the book. Go ahead. Turn the page. Your page should look like mine. It's page 136. All right. Let's see what we have going on this page. All right. Let's see. How many guitars do we have? 1, 2, 3 guitars. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, do we have enough guitars for every kid to play? No. How many more guitars do we need in order for all of them to have a guitar? Let's find out again. Remember, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 kiddos and only 3 guitars. So how many more do we need? 1 more. And if you guys want to help, you could draw a little guitar here, and that might be easier for you guys to count. So down here, you need to draw a 1, because you need 1 more guitar. All right, let's look down here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spiders. 1, 2 webs, guys. Woo! How many more webs do we need for each spider to have a place? Okay, well, let's see. Give me that, please. All right. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and only 2 of these. So we could draw some more webs, right? 1, 2. Let me see. How many do I have if I added 2 more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, quite not enough. I'll draw 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that how many spiders we had? Let's see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many more webs did we need to have enough? 1, 2, 3. So go ahead, draw a big old number 3 in that box. Then you guys are done with that workbook for now. I want you guys to go ahead, work on your exercise 3 tonight. Okay, it looks like this. You're going to do compare and write your numbers. So how many butterflies and how many flowers? Okay, we have our spoons and our bowls. Okay, so up here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. So it says the butterfly needs blank more flowers. So how many more flowers do we need? Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and draw another one. That would be 5. Draw another, and that would be 6. We would need 2 more. Okay, you're going to do the same thing down at the bottom. Same thing on your baseball page. You're then going to count how many of these do I have compared to my fish. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and I only have one fish. So I would write I have 4 of these and 1 of these, because 4 is more than 1. You're going to do that on that entire page. Here you're just going to count and write the numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green apples. And go ahead and do that there. When you're done, go ahead and upload your work for me, okay?